Good evening, everyone. It is February 15th, 2017. We are doing a personal box break for Nick K in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2015-16 Premier Hockey. There's 4 boxes available. He decided to go with box 4 that was right at the bottom. So we'll do this. Move those back. So here it is. Premier Hockey 15-16. Exactly, friend of Jaspy's, Nick K. So, like I said, this tin is, they have a couple Easter eggs in this product where this tin could be autographed. And I just learned the other day from Bowman that the autograph would be at the top, like right here by the neck. So no need to slow play if I don't see it right away. Nope. So here it is. See a Connor McDavid pop out, man. That's what I want to see. I'm going to use this blank to cover up the hits. All right, Nick. Good luck, man. Jacob De La Rose, that's a rookie premier jersey. Yeah, I sent him the other one the other day, actually, didn't I? I mean, I know in this last one I put it in the box.
49ers edition and Falcons edition of Deion Sanders. There you go. 49ers Falcons. Once again, same dice roll, 4 to 5, 9 times.
Next one. Nick Cousins rookie premier, 124 of 399.
That would be the NFC South. That'll go to Norman.
Patrick Waugh.
There you go. Thanks very much, everybody. There you go, Norman. There's your
137 of 299.
That's 25. Nice.
Oh yeah, no problem, man.
Very nice.
Those are pretty sick tins, right? They look pretty cool.
Black Gold Random Division break number 8.
Next one.
We do have more Black Gold on the website. The second half of the random team.
Drew Doughty.
That's it for Black Gold.
Premier, 54 of 399. Jason King Mojo right there.
Okay, done there.
See you later, Mr. Diecast.
You're welcome, Norman. Thanks for
Alright, let's start going to the next ones. Ooh, what a nice patch in there. Look at that. Rookie auto patch. 4 color, actually. Got the red, white, silver, and black over there. Noah Hannafin. 212 of 375. What an insane patch in there. Upper Deck does very well with patches, even if they're out of like 275 or 375. Nice 4-color patch in there. Next one. Ooh, nice. Look at that. That's a Premier Stars patch auto. That's Johnny Hockey. Johnny Gaudreau. That is 21 of 99. Nice personal, man.
When did you email us, Curtis? I rarely check.
Sweet. And it's on the card, too? Damn. That's pretty sweet.
Look at it. I'll look for it.
Nice. Next one.
We don't even have that available. It's gone.
A Premier Collection. That's super, what is it? Super Rookies. Jared McCann. On-card auto and a 2-color patch. 78 of 99.
Sure, Curtis. That would ensure.
Sweet card.
Oh, Curtis, I was just thinking about you earlier.
3 patch autos. Sweet. What a good box.
Does everybody know Genie Bouchard?
And the last card is another autograph. Premier Rookies, Daniel Carr. 350 of 399 for the Montreal Canadiens.
And
nice.
And I think Genie Bouchard is Canadian too, right? And she's a tennis player and a good tennis player at that. Also,
so there you go, Nick. That was your personal box of Premier Hockey. What a nice Premier Hockey personal box, man. 3 patch autos. Johnny Gaudreau, and this great 4-color patch, Noah Hannafin, RPA right here. And then you got some more base and another relic right here. So thanks for getting that personal box, Nick. And like I always say, guys, if you too would like a personal box here at Jaspy's HobbyLand, please email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. We can send you a list of boxes and prices, and then you too can do a personal box. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.